how to combine two videos on Instagram story. First, open the Instagram app, tap on the plus icon to create a story, then tap on recent, select video. All your videos will appear. To select multiple videos, tap on multiple icon. Now select the videos, then tap on next. Select separate here. Layouts doesn't work on videos. Now tap on next. Tap on share. Finally tap on done. Your videos will posted separately on Instagram story. And that's it. This is how you can combine two videos on Instagram story.